Today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on a Samsung phone. So the first step is to go down until you find the settings app. So tap on settings, and next you need to find sounds and vibration. So tap on sounds and vibration, and then finally go to ringtone. And the ringtone at the moment I've got on silent, but it comes with Galaxy bells. That's the typical Samsung ringtone. And just press that on silent while I'm talking then. And you've got all these different choices. Anything you've got choices in Galaxy. You could take Atomic Bell, Cosmos, something from the Calm range like Cascade, or the one that I like is, well, there's actually 80s phone as well. I'm not sure if you'd want that one, but the one I like is Roller Disco. And once you've just turn that down a little bit, and once you've selected your ringtone, then all you need to do is backspace out of the ringtone section, backspace, and that's saved it there. So I've got Retro Roller Disco, and that is now my ringtone. You don't need to press the save button, it just saves it for you automatically. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.